Hi everyone, welcome to my live streaming. Today we are going to use this copper wire size 0.8. Let's go into make the jewelry. Let's go into make the jewelry letter W. Last week we already make the V, so today we make a W. W U V W Q R S T U V W. Then X Y Z. We almost will be finished the letter tutorial this week. Here, this. Okay. Then we can go into make this one and if you wanted to make more sharp, so I do like this. Here is the W, and if we go make the next letter, we are going to fold it here. Okay, so here's the way. Then if we make the little W here. Okay, here. So it is little like the M opposite. Hi, happy to see you, Kate. Thank you. So here is the way that's to wrap the W. Okay, W. Okay, then we can try it by like Wendy